Good evening. Welcome to my market view for 8th June 2020. On Friday, I had mentioned that in spite of Nifty closing lower by 20 points, it was still in a buy mode and any dip could be bought into. Today, Nifty opened mildly higher by a few points and then it picked up momentum towards the afternoon and closed 81 points higher at 15,746 points. As per Fibonacci retracement from the low point and its previous high that was at 15,431, Nifty has given a retracement of 127%, that was at about 15,780. Now, the volumes today were very low compared to the average traded volume of Nifty. So even though higher highs and higher lows are being formed, I would like to advise people to be cautious while going long on Nifty. In whichever rally, you cannot predict the top as well as the bottom. So for me, if I were to be a Nifty trader, I would not trade Nifty long anymore. So if Nifty by any chance trades below today's low, that is somewhere at this point 15,670 levels, then one can go short only for intraday trading only. At the end of the day, they should compulsorily close their positions. That is below this line, 15,570. If Nifty trades, one may consider going short only on intraday basis. We can see repeatedly MACD is making divergence here. So it is better to be cautious on Nifty. Moving on to Bank Nifty now. Literally, Bank Nifty did nothing today. It is still in that congestion zone between 35,000 and 36,000. We can see an inside out bar forming in Bank Nifty today. If we move on to short term time frame chart in Bank Nifty, it is in a band of 35,700 and 35,000 on the lower side. In Bank Nifty, there is no buying unless it closes above 35,700 levels again. Once again, if it dips below today's low, that is 35,350 levels, one can initiate shorts only for intraday basis. Otherwise, there is no trade in Bank Nifty also. Moving on to derivative data, Nifty ended the day higher by 81 points to close at 15,751. Long build-up was seen in Nifty futures, which closed higher by 0.52% and OI going up by 2.4%. Nifty PCR was at 1.35. Amongst Nifty options, 10 June expiry put writing was seen at 15,700 levels. Call buildup was seen at 16,000 levels. Some call unwinding was seen at 15,700 Bank Nifty closed at 35,444 points, higher by 152 points. Short covering was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest went down by as much as 3%, with Bank Nifty closing higher by 0.43%. Bank Nifty PCR was at 0.65. Some longs were initiated by FIIs in today's trade. They net bought positions in indices worth rupees 514 crores. Their net open interest went up by 2,350 contracts. Market breadth was positive, whereas India VIX went down by 2.33% to close at 15.57. A look at FIA activity for today's trade. Their net open interest contract went up to 1,18,852. Now a look at securities that are in ban for trade tomorrow. India Bull Housing Finance, PNB, SAIL and Sun TV. Now finally a look at Nifty open interest chart for 10th June expiry. 15,700 is where maximum put OI is built, and call, as you can see, is maximum at 16,000. Thanks for watching. Good night.